Good morning, everyone. I hope you guys had a wonderful weekend because I know I did. Today, our topic of today is subtracting polynomials, and it's May 4th, so I have a corny joke for you guys. Ready? May the 4th be with you. You get it? The 4th, May 4th. All right, let's go. Our learning target today. Today, I can find the difference between two polynomials by distributing and combining like terms. So let's get straight into it. Problem number 1 states, find the difference of the expression below. We have negative x cubed plus 4x squared minus 2 minus 2x cubed minus 2x squared plus 6. So first things first, I want to distribute this negative into the parentheses because it's the same thing as negative 1. The reason why I want to do that is because if you don't do it, you might end up combining like terms before changing the signs and you will get the wrong answer. So distribute the negative. So when you distribute the negative, that means multiply everything by negative 1. So I will get negative 1 times 2x cubed, which is negative 2x cubed. Negative 1 times negative 2x squared, which is positive 2x squared. And negative 1 times positive 6, which is negative 6. If you haven't noticed, all I did was change the sign of everything in the second parentheses. And since I'm distributing the negative, that means I'm getting rid of it. So this minus sign right here should become a plus sign. So it's easier for us to just combine like terms. And then I bring everything else down. In my first polynomial, I have negative x cubed plus 4x squared minus 2. Step number 2, all you have to do is combine like terms. We know how to do this. We know how to add polynomials because we mastered it last week, right guys? So I'm going to combine negative x cubed and negative 2x cubed because they're both cubic terms. Negative x cubed plus negative 2x cubed oh, that's a mouthful, gives me negative 3x cubed. I'm going to combine 4x squared and 2x squared because they're both quadratic terms. 4x squared plus 2x squared is 6x squared. And I'm going to combine negative 2 and negative 6 because they're both constants. Negative 2 plus negative 6 gives me negative 8. That's all we have to do. So I'm going to run through my steps again. First, I distribute the negative. Then I combine my like terms, and I got my answer. So the difference between negative x cubed plus 4x squared minus 2 and 2x cubed minus 2x squared plus 6 is the polynomial negative 3x cubed plus 6x squared minus 8. So problem number 2, if you understand how to do this already, I encourage you to go on to problem number 3 and begin your work of the day. If not, I'm going to go over another problem with you guys. So problem number 2 reads, what is the difference between 2x squared minus 5x plus 4 and negative x squared plus 6x minus 10? So first things first, I want to set up my expression or my equation. I have 2x squared minus 5x plus 4 minus, because difference usually indicates subtraction, negative x squared plus 6x. I'm going to bring my second polynomial down, minus 10. First things first, distribute this negative. What I mean, since this is a negative 1, all you have to do is change the sign of everything in this second polynomial. So this negative x squared becomes a positive x squared. This positive 6x becomes a negative 6x because negative 1 times 6x is negative 6x. And this negative 10 becomes a positive 10 because negative 10 times negative 1 is positive 10. Again, like I said on the previous slide, this negative sign will become a positive or a plus sign. And then we bring everything else down. In the first polynomial, we have 2x squared minus 5x plus 4. We mastered adding polynomials last week. At least I hope, at least I think we did. All we have to do is combine like terms. So I'm going to combine 2x squared and positive x squared because they're both quadratic terms. 2x squared plus x squared gives me 3x squared. I'm going to combine negative 5x and negative 6x because they're both linear terms. Negative 5x plus negative 6x gives me negative 11x. And I'm going to combine positive 4 and positive 10 because they're both constants. 10 plus 4 gives me 14. So the answer to the question, the difference between 2x squared minus 5x plus 4 and negative x squared plus 6x minus 10 is the polynomial 3x squared minus 11x plus 14. Here's your problem 3 of the day. You know what to do. Take a screenshot, write it down if you have a pencil and paper. Bless your heart. And have a good day, guys. Bye.